Hi, this video will show you how to use the PrimeCoin wallet. After installation, you have to choose between the default hot wallet or a cold wallet. To use a cold wallet, you can go to Settings and click on Switch to PrimeCoin Cold. Once you choose the cold wallet, you will not be able to reverse the action. After you do so, you should permanently disable all internet connections on your mobile device in order to protect the safety of your private keys. To create a wallet address, click the plus sign button on the bottom left of the main page. You may choose to create a hierarchical deterministic wallet address or a normal address in the Others option. To generate an HD wallet, click Generate, grant permissions, set a password that only you will remember, and scan a random area with your camera to generate a random key. We highly recommend a backup of the passphrase, either by screenshot or by hand. Now you have created a unique wallet address. Provide your address or QR code to your sending party to receive funds. Then, you can make transactions by clicking the Send button. To set a transaction fee, go to Settings and choose a desired amount in the default transaction fee section. After sending a transaction, you will be able to view it in your wallet. The transaction is considered complete when the confirmation count reaches your desired non-zero amount. To view how to conduct transactions with a cold wallet, please click the link below for another video.